Employee theft and error is a huge contributor to loss for restaurant franchises. You can reclaim these dollars, save hours of time each week, and have more honest employees by using Delaget Guard. The Delaget platform gathers data from your point of sale, back of house, and other operating systems. Using our proprietary algorithms, it searches for scenarios and outliers in the data to identify situations that don't look quite right. It then monetizes the loss at each store and prescribes specific actions your managers can take to reduce loss and better train employees. In this video, you'll get an overview of the Delaget Guard solution. We'll look at two views, the store-level view that an RGM or store manager would use, and the above-store view, which is used by area coaches and other above-store leaders. In the store-level view of Delaget Guard, you'll see the estimated daily loss for a given store. This is essentially the cash that is being left on the table. This loss is determined by your business's key metrics, like cash over short, deletes, discounts, and employee meals. You can adjust these metrics and their thresholds to meet the needs of your business. Each day, Delaget Guard analyzes your data and finds the instances of loss that have the biggest monetary impact, and reports on the top 4 ways your managers can reduce loss in each restaurant. It provides specific steps they can take to stop theft and better train employees. All of this takes the manager about 5 minutes each day. Managers can see the details of any specific instance down to the ticket details with interactive graphs and charts. They can see what else might be going on in the restaurant, like time of day, tenure, and restaurant performance. They can even review corresponding surveillance video. The Delaget Shield gives you a quick visual of your restaurant's progress toward completing the checklist. The color of the shield will change from red to blue as the checklist items are addressed. Let's dig into the checklist to see how it works. Let's look at this checklist item on Angela Wright. Right away, we see that she has had large refunds on various dates, and through the insights, you can see why this behavior could be loss and why it's important to review. You can also check her hire date, so you'll know if she's a new employee learning the ropes or a seasoned veteran. The specific transactions that triggered this alert are listed below. Underlined items are clickable to see more in-depth information, and bold items indicate that the amount is over the set threshold. Columns are sortable so that you can view the data in the way that works best for you. One of the unique features of Delaget Guard is that you can dig into each individual ticket to see the transaction details. These tickets are printable so that your managers can use them in their conversations with employees. At the bottom of the screen is an area where you can take notes on your conversation with Angela and indicate whether or not the issue was resolved. These notes will stay with the employee as long as they work for you and can be printed for their file. The employee screen shows you all of Angela's history, including all of the notes that have been taken about her. On the main screen, the checklist item has been removed and the shield is changing from red to blue. Now, let's take a look at the above store view, which is used by area coaches or any other above store leadership. Just like in the store level view, where managers can see estimated loss for their store, in this view, above store leaders can see estimated loss for a roll-up of their entire district. Another great feature of this view is the above store alerts, which help address concerns about managers stealing or not following company policy. Above store leaders will be alerted in 2 types of situations: when one of their managers is the subject of an action item, and when the timing of the first or last transaction of the day is suspicious. With the above store level view, you're able to compare metrics of different groups, restaurants, and managers, and drill down for more details. You've now seen all the basic functionality of Delaget Guard and how it can help you reduce loss. If you'd like to learn more about how Delaget Guard could work for you and your franchise, reach out to us by clicking on the Request a Demo button.